Hey, this will show you how to solve inequalities by adding and subtracting. This is for worksheet 3-6. This first one here is c minus 6 is less than or equal to 1. So first step you want to do is you want to get rid of this minus 6. So you do the opposite operation, which is plus 6 on this side and plus 6 on this side. The 6's on the left would cancel each other because 6 minus 6 leaves you with nothing. So you'd be left with just the c on this side. Then you'd rewrite the less than or equal to, less than or equal to, and then you have a positive 6 and a positive 1. So 6 plus 1 is 7. So c is less than or equal to 7. So for your graph, if you had 7 here, you notice it's a closed circle. And then the c is less than or equal to, so less than, you'd put your line going to the left. Line going to the left. Okay, the next problem, 7 plus x is less than or equal to 10. So you want to get rid of this positive 7 here. You get rid of the positive 7 by minus 7 on the left, minus 7 on the right. The 7's over here cancel. On the left, you'll be left with just x. Rewrite the sign of less than or equal to, and then you have a positive 10 and a negative 7. So 10 minus 7 is 3. So for your graph, if you have a 3, you see x is less than or equal to 3. So you would do a closed circle, and then less than to the left. Next one is 7 plus n is greater than negative 2. So you want to get rid of the 7, just like the last problem. So you would do minus 7 on the left, minus 7 on the right. These 7's cancel. You'll be left with just the n. And then on this side, you have a minus 2 and a minus 7. Signs are the same, so you combine those together to get a negative 9. So n is greater than negative 9. So for this graph, you can put a spot for negative 9. And then this one would be an open circle. So you'd have an open circle at negative 9. And this says greater than. So you would do a line to the right. Okay, and then the last one, number 11. You need to get rid of this 14 here. So you minus 14 on the left, minus 14 on the right. These 14's cancel. You're left with k is greater than. And then you have 25 and a negative 14. So you subtract 25 minus 14 is 11. And then for your graph, at 11, you would do an open circle because there's no line underneath the greater than symbol. So you would do your line to the right.